Hi, I'm Ganelle Goslin with the Analyst Syndicate. Our analysts have prepared 1-minute predictions on key trends and their impacts on businesses and the tech industry. Here is Dan Miklovic, who will share his prediction on digital transformation in manufacturing.
Is the Analyst Syndicate manufacturing prediction for 2021, and it is that despite the COVID-driven tech investments, the majority of manufacturers will fail at digital transformation through the end of 2022. And I say this because while COVID is really driving investment in technologies like AR, VR, automation, robotics, AI, machine learning, the applications of these technologies have been to solve the disruptions that COVID has caused. And the businesses have not focused on how to radically transform their organizations. And by transform, I mean change the way they do business, change the way the customer sees them. So it will be at least mid to late 2022 before the investments people are making because of COVID today will offer any transformational benefit.